Hi, my name is Bolanle. This is kind of the first time I'm doing this, so I'm slightly shy, but um, I just wanted to try this and see what response I get from people. And if it's good, I guess I'll continue. Um, so today I'll be singing Whitney Houston's "I'll Always Love You." Here you go. Bittersweet memories. That is all I'm taking with me. So goodbye. Please don't cry. We both know I'm not what you need.